In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OData to Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we first want to go ahead and open up the Power BI desktop. Then from here, make sure to select the Home tab. Now below that, we've got the Get Data option. So select on, select onto that, and then choose the OData feed. So select OData feed. Now a little box should appear. So in basic, so you want to enter your OData service URL. For example, it might your server /OData, or it could look like this, services OData, etc. And then go ahead and click on OK, and then choose the appropriate authentication method. So this can be anonymous, your basic, so your username and password, or your organizational account. So this can be Microsoft Entra ID, Azure Ad, Windows API key if supported by the services. Now after authentication, the navigator window displays the available tables and entities. Selects the tables you want, then choose load to import the data directly. We can transform the data or clean or shape the data in Power Query before loading. Now build your report using the imported data.